Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we explore fascinating world of stone wall decorating ideas. If you are passionate about transforming your living spaces with timeless elegance and rustic charm, you have come to the right place. Our channel is dedicated to showcasing a wide range of creative and inspiring ways to incorporate stone walls into your interior and exterior design. Whether you are a homeowner, a enthusiast, or an interior designer looking for fresh ideas, we have got you covered. Here's what you can expect from our channel. Number 1, Inspiring Design Showcase. Get ready to be inspired as we feature stunning examples of stone wall decorations in various settings. From cozy living rooms to luxurious bedrooms, we will highlight different styles, colors, and patterns that can be achieved with stone walls. Number 2, Dye Tutorials. We believe that everyone should have the opportunity to create their dream space. That's why we will provide step-by-step tutorials on how to install stone walls, from choosing the right materials to the actual installation process. We will also share tips and tricks to ensure a successful and professional looking results. Number 3, Creative Ideas for Different Spaces. Stone walls are not limited to the indoor spaces. We will explore how to incorporate stone into the outdoor areas such as gardens, patches, and entryways. Additionally, we will showcase unique ideas for specific space like fireplace, accent walls, and kitchen backsplashes. Number 4, Material selection and maintenance. Choosing the right type of stone for your project is crucial. We will guide you through different options such as natural stones, veneers, and Fox stone panels. We'll also share expert